Varanasi je známé tím, že tady probíhají pohřby.
And he died in 1914 because this is very old.
Tu long tradition. Ne?
Yes.
Zjišťoval jsem ceny toho pohřbu.
Not for 1% people die. Here no people die.
Naprosto jiný svět, jiná kultura. Paní uklízí po včerejší noci a já vás vítám u dalšího videa z Varanasi. Ahoj, já jsem Filip a tohle je Varanasi, nebo jak by řekli Indové Baranas. Nejsvatější město ze všech svatých měst. Jsme tady druhý den, procházíme se kolem Gangy, po ghátech, což je místo, kde je přístup k vodě. Kolem řeky se všechno odehrává. Pere se tady prádlo, lidi se tady koupají, všechna kanalizace je svedená tady do řeky. My jsme tady právě v lednu, je 10 stupňů, je to tady komfortní mikina, rifle, boty. V létě je tady 35-40 stupňů, takže tohle je pro mě mnohem komfortnější zážitek. Pán se šel protáhnout do řeky. Varanasi je známé tím, že tady probíhají denně 24 hodin, 7 dní v týdnu pohřby, které fungují tak, že vezmete tělo, dáte ho na hranici, zapálíte to dřevo, no a následně čekáte, než oheň udělá svoji práci. V podstatě dohoří co nejvíce, jak to jde, a posléze potom ty ostatky, ten zbytek vezmou, pošlou to na řeku a tím pádem je konec. Vaše cesta na tomhle světě končí. Žádný znovuzrození, reinkarnace už nenastává. To město je známé tím, že sem lidi v podstatě často jezdí umírat. Jsou tady, řekněme, hotely nebo centra, kam se sjíždí lidi těsně před smrtí a čekají tady, než umřou, aby mohli být pohřbeni, spáleni tady v tom městě. Zjišťoval jsem ceny toho pohřbu, a tak mi bylo řečeno, že se to liší. Že to může být od 30 000 rupí, což je tak 8 000 korun, až třeba ke 100 000 rupím, což je něco pod 30 000. Je to v závislosti na ceně dřeva, na práci těch lidí, na tom, jak to chce mít člověk pompézní, jakou chce mít oslavu toho odchodu ze světa. A liší se to třeba i sezónností. Teď nedávno jsem četl, že když byl covid, tak tady umíralo mnohonásobně víc lidí než standardně. Tím pádem klasicky nabídka, poptávka a ceny pohřbů se vyšplhaly na násobky. Takže i tady funguje klasický pravidla trhu. My se tady trošku projdeme, už jsem se tady procházel včera a zanechalo to ve mně poměrně hluboký zážitky. Dneska se tady procházíme ještě jaké po dopoledni, po snídani, kterou jsme měli v hotelu. A půjdeme se podívat na loď. Projedeme si tady po loďce celou šířku tady Gangy, nebo délku Gangy, která tady umožňuje se projíždět. A teď je vidět, že je nedostatek vody. V období dešťů může být voda až k těm zdem, ale teď na protější straně takový písečný dno řeky v podstatě, kde taky kotví lodě, a vozí tam turisty na koních, a lidi tam hrajou kriket a dovádí a užívají si. Takže my to tady jdeme projít.
Now he waiting. Because when is this fire is finished, they can collect to this, then he go. And that dress they can wearing for the continue 10 days.
10 days?
Yeah. When he put for the ashes in this river, then he change to the dress.
Hello sir, this was Rashwan.
नहीं
Come on.
This 5 rupees also.
For here also for the electorium, for the cremated to the electric, but now is the destroy.
Okay.
Maybe 2 years take a time, make a new another one.
Okay.
Because electric, this is the government, and there is the electric fire is a free,
Oh, okay.
but here is the charges. Because in India, in Varanasi, also so many poor people, and poor people they cannot afford to the charges for the wood,
Yeah.
and that person they can use for the electric.
Když je období dešťů a řeka je vysoko, tak ty pohřby probíhají, nebo ty kremace probíhají tam nahoře, teď probíhají tam dole. Tady ty hranice, které jsou blíž nám, tak jsou pro všechny kasty, kromě té nejvyšší. Ta nejvyšší má hranici tam, co nejblíž k řece, a pán mě updateoval moje informace, ty pohřby jsou prý cenově od 6 000 do 12 000 rupí plus minus, je to v závislosti na ceně dřeva. Používá se dřevo z mango tree, což je strom, na kterým se pěstují manga. Říkal, že je potřeba 260 až 320 kg toho dřeva, což dělá tu cenu. Oheň hoří 2 až 3 hodiny a natolik to potom stačí k tomu, to spálení, aby ty ostatky schrábly, umístili do hliněného takového urničky a to potom lodí odplujou někam do prostřed řeky a tam to prostě dají do té gangy. No. Takže zase v návaznosti už na to, co jsem říkal, teďko dokreslil ty informace.
See, there is a body.
Yeah.
Because sometimes the people left, they are late, then because every family is a friends, relative, and for the neighbors. Everyone they can give for the body, for the colorful cloth, you can see.
Yeah.
Is a family they can put for the cloth for the body.
Yeah. Tak teď se tam loučí
And after this body, first he go to the river, one time he dip, and body make a purified. Because our Indian culture, when people die, first is the family, they can call everyone, relative, relation, friends, and also for neighbor. When all people come in house, first is the family, he make one bamboo stretcher, and after body they can keep for the bamboo stretcher, and then family they can give for the cloth for colorful, they can put for the body, and after body they can rope with flower, and then 4 person is a member of family, body they can hang with shoulder, and then body they are carrying, and when he carrying to the body, he always speak for mantra, Ram Naam Satya Hai, means Ram name is true, and then body they can bring to the in this part, and when he bring to the body first time for here, then first he body one time he dip the river, body make purified, and after take out and keep the land.
Okay.
And after family they can open for body face, and each person is a family water take on hand, and they can, this water they can put body mouth, because this is the last drink for body. And after one person is a member of family, they can manage everything. First he bought for the wood, because one body need for the wood minimum is a 280 kilogram,
Okay.
and maximum to 360 kilogram wood needed. He bought for the wood sandalwood powders, incense, camphor, clarified butter, rose water, perfume, and white cloth. And white cloth wearing which person give the fire, and that is the person only for the member of family. Suppose die for the father, and always give the fire elder son.
Okay.
And if have no elder son, then give the fire small son.
Okay.
And that son before he go to the near barber, first he make a clean for the hair, maybe have a mustache, maybe beard, also shaving, and then he come to here, and they can wearing for the one white cloth saron and one shawl. And then which people work to this part, these people wood he make a big fire with the wood, and after family body they can take and keep for the wood fire, and then they can put everything for the body, sandalwood powder, incense, camphor, clarified butter, rose water, perfume, they can put for the body, because when he give the fire, his smell is always coming for the good smell. That's why they can put so many things. And in this part also, no people use for the match, no diesel, no petrol, no gas. Just up is there behind to the there. There is a one temple for the Shiva. There is a continue many centuries, a continue fire. and white person, white color, white cloth, which person wearing, that person go there, and they can internal holy fire flame they can bring and came to here.
And starts the fire.
And then he take for the one dry grass, long dry grass, and they can put for the fire flame for the dry grass. And then 4 person is a more family. Total is a 5 person. They are circling to the body 5 people 5 times. You know why is the 5 people 5 times?
No.
Because all human body made for 5 elements: water, earth, fire, wind, and sky. That's why people are circling to the 5 times. When is complete to the 5 times, then he give the fire. And after when he give the fire, all family they are watch to the fire, because this fire take a time minimum for 2 hours, maximum for 3 hours take a time. When is the fire is finished, they can collect to the ashes, and that ashes they can keep for the one clay pot. And after family they can take for the ashes clay pot, and they can change to this garth and go some another garth, all family, and they can go to the river, make a shower everyone, and after ashes clay pot they can bring to the house. And after 10 days again family come and they can bring to the ashes clay pot, and then took the boat, go to middle in this river, and ashes they can put in this river. And you know, our Indian culture also is a 5 kind of dead body, no cremated. First, one is a pregnant lady die, this body no cremated. Second is under the 12-year children when die, this body also no cremated. Third is the monk body also no cremated. And fourth, one is a disease for the skin for the smallpox, this body also no cremated. And fifth, one is a someone killed for the cobra, snake bitten, this body also no cremated. So, because this 5 kind of body become like a holy. And holy things our Indian culture people no cremated, no burn
to the ground.
No, this body people take a big stone, and body they can keep for the stone, and body they can rope with the stone, and they can took the boat, go to middle in this river, and body they can sink to the river, body they can dip the water.
How deep is the river?
Because there is about 25 meter, 20 meter like this deep.
That's so interesting, so interesting. You just told me the whole thing in a nutshell. Thank you very much. Thank you.
The body, who's carrying the body with the bamboo sticks? It's a family member?
Yes, family member.
So interesting, so interesting. So many things to learn.
Yeah.
Potkali jsme se tady s pánem, tak jsme ho vyspovídali. Tady to, co říkal, je přesný popis toho, jak tady funguje ten pohřeb, krok za krokem. Dám sem potom titulky, protože to hezky autenticky vyprávěl, takže to nebudu překládat. Dám sem titulky a je to jasné.
And there is a fire. Also, in street inside also fire.
Okay.
And there is a people take for the bamboo stretcher. This is a cloth people they can wearing, and there is a sandalwood, sandalwood powder, incense, and everything.
Yeah. So you basically buy it before the funeral. Strašně zajímavých faktů. To je naprosto jiný svět, jiná kultura, co je pro ně naprosto normálně běžný, tak z toho se nám točí hlava, protože je to úplně mimo na toho, co známe, v jakém světě žijeme, v jakém prostředí.
Sometimes people die far away, but he cremated body over there.
Okay.
But he bring to the ashes, and this ashes they can put in this river.
Ganga. Yeah. Okay.
Because this is the river is the holy.
Yeah.
And our Indian culture we are called for the mother of Ganga.
Yeah. Pána jsme potkali u řeky, zapovídali jsme se, říkal, že byl asi 7krát v Čechách, že tam dělá biznis. Má tady fabriku, kde vyrábí věci ze silku.
Today is the just 11 days. 13th of January is a big festival in India.
Okay.
You heard about the Kumbh Mela?
Yeah.
And that is the Kumbh Mela. That time million monk came to Varanasi.
Okay.
Because if I make a percentage for the real and fake, 5% is the real monk, and 95% is the fake.
Oh.
You can see the everywhere. That is all is the fake.
So they just want to get food and money for people.
Yeah. That is that monk only they can earn to the money and they can use for the drunk and for smoke.
And how can you tell who is real and who is fake?
Because real monk always staying in forest
Aha.
and mountain.
OK. Zajímavý, takže potvrzuje tu naše info ze včera, že velká část těch mnichů, co tady sedí na pobřeží, nejsou skuteční a dělají to jenom, aby vybírali peníze, primárně asi od turistů, protože místní je mají asi prokouknutý. Shiva? Shiva. It was founded by Shiva, yeah?
Shiva is not for the faces. Shiva is the lingam. Is the black one. Because before in Varanasi, every house is inside for the temple of Shiva. Every house.
Every house inside of the house.
Yeah.
Okay.
Inside.
A nám jde ukázat svoji fabriku. Docela bych si i něco asi koupil. Tak uvidíme, co bude mít. Měl by dělat takový ty pašmíny, ty šátkošály. Jednu má asi na sobě, protože reprezentuje svůj business.
This is a temple for the Ganesha, son of Shiva. And there is a face, is a elephant. You can see.
Yeah.
Because here, yesterday is big crowd. Because yesterday, day for Shiva. That's why here is a full of the crowd, full. No people walk very easy.
And what's the meaning of the cobra as a bell?
Actually, cobra, this is a Shiva necklace.
Okay.
Because when is a Shiva, they can drink for the poison. Then is this neck is become like a blue. Then is the neck they can be wearing. Nobody can see for the blue. I saw you one temple. Nobody can see.
Okay.
You are only for you are my friend.
Okay.
That's why
Okay.
you can see. Because this only for two temples. One temple for Varanasi and one temple in near to Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
Actually. See. You know this
No.
god?
No.
You know Hanuman, monkey god?
Yeah.
This is a Hanuman boss.
Okay.
Because that man is a Rama friend. His name was Sugriv. This is only one temple in Varanasi.
Okay.
And one temple in Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
No more.
No more. Only
Yeah.
two temples in the world,
Yeah.
basically.
Yes.
Yeah.
In
And-
India, two temple only.
What does he do, or what's his story?
Because that man is the king. They can help to the Lord of Rama. Because बस आगे है बगल में. Because that man they can help to the Rama. Because is Rama, her wife is Sita. Is one demons. They can kidnap. They can bring to the Lanka.
Yeah, I heard about the Sri Lanka.
Yeah. And that man they are supporting to the Rama.
Okay.
Then Rama they can kill for the demons. They can bring to the her wife.
And who came to Sri Lanka and killed everyone?
Rama.
Rama. Yeah.
And he's like what do you say for the minister? For the minister is Hanuman.
Okay.
First he go. Hanuman they can go to in Sri Lanka.
Okay. Interesting. Thank you for showing us.
And you know for the one monk, they are called for the Sai Baba. You been in Mumbai?
Yeah.
And Mumbai to very close one place called for Shirdi.
Okay.
There is a big temple for the Sai Baba. I can show you for the one
Okay,
temple
okay.
Sai Baba. Because today is Thursday.
Yeah.
Today is Sai Baba day. When you come evening time, there is a lot of crowd in this street. Because every goddess have a day. If you go for the Golden Temple for the Monday, that day is a very crowd. And when you go to the Tuesday and Saturday, 2 days, Monkey Temple,
Okay.
there is a very crowd.
Okay.
And when you go to the Sunday, then you go to Durga Temple. There is a lot of crowd. See, this is the monkey god Hanuman, and there is a monk of Sai Baba.
Okay.
This man. And he died in 1914.
Okay.
But he have a amazing power. When sometimes blind people they can go, he just put like this.
And they could see.
These people can see. And when he's for the dumb, they can speak. This is amazing power.
That's amazing.
Because that person they cannot use for the oil. He for the just for the when he light for the candle, he put for the water, and this is the light. This is amazing power.
How long did it take you to know everything, you know, about the religion. It's so many information, so many connections.
Yeah,
so
yeah, many things
You're
in
studying
Varanasi.
whole life basically.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because Varanasi, this is a city, is an amazing place.
It is.
This is the oldest city in the world.
Yeah. I know.
That's why everyone they can love to. You know, you say for the COVID in Varanasi, no happened for the COVID. No about what. Not for 1% people die. Here no people die. Very few people. Not for the COVID. It's very amazing place. Come. Hey, come.
Přátelé, Krišna měl 16 800 přítelkyň a vybral si z toho 3, které si vzal. A měl populární, kterou měl rád, ale nevzal si ji z nějakého důvodu.
That is the Krishna and is the her wife, is a friend, Radha.
Ráda.
This is not my house.
This is your house? Tak přicházíme k pánovi domů. Hello.
This is my mom.
Nice to meet you.
Just move the suit and sit.
Take the shoes off.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. What is the writing on the wall? The orange?
Actually, this is our goddess name. First is the right for the Ganesha. Second is the name for the Kuber. And third is the Maha Saraswati. Saraswati is the god of student. And fourth is the Hanuman. And fifth is the Mahakali. Kali, when you see for the Kali, is the face is the
Hello,
black,
sir.
and is the always for the tongue is the out.
Okay.
That is the Kali. This is my dad.
Nice to meet you.
Because first worship in India, Ganesha, this son of Shiva.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Bye. Si jdeme podívat do výrobny, kde se to, co jsme si koupili, vyrábí.
अंदर खुले आपको? हाँ, बंद है।
Tak tady se to vyrábí, přátelé. A chlapiče na pauzu.
This room and that room is all. Come, I show you.
Jo.
Now because everyone take a rest.
Yeah.
See, it's closed.
Yeah, there is normally a guy working.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Tak v zimě se jim nechce pracovat, tak hodně pijou čaj,
Because
odpočívají.
you have no time, otherwise this careful this.
Yes.
Because before
Pozor na
the
hlavu.
all door is very short.
Tak tady se to vyrábí.
First we are our artists make a design pattern this wood.
Aha.
And then is the all design pattern joined to the thread.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how many can he do per one day?
Actually, this is not for the one day because one day this much.
Oh, so it takes long time.
Yeah.
Yeah, your father mentioned 10
Yeah,
days actually.
yeah.
Okay. Zajímavá výrobna.
Yeah. Because this is very old.
Old place.
Yeah.
So, long tradition. Yeah?
Yes. And mostly if the pilgrim came to south part. Many pilgrims came, South Indian.
So, it's Varanasi in English and Varanasi in English?
No, actually Varanasi, this is the new name. Because before Varanasi name is Benares.
Benares.
Because Varanasi now is the new, there is the first god is the Varuna god, and there is the last god Asi god. Varuna and Asi called for the Varanasi. Varanasi, this is new name.
Okay.
When is the British is the Finnish,
It was
1947. After he make for the Varanasi. Before is the British time Benares.
Okay.
Stomach problem?
Yeah.
Then you drink more water, warm water, and juice.
Great.
Orange juice and
Yeah, I
eat
was
fruit for
thinking
the
of-
papaya.
Yeah. Great.
And today
Great to
you
meet
eat
you.
for the lunch curd and rice. It's very
Great.
good for your stomach.
Yeah. Oh, right.
Yeah.
Thank you. It was amazing to meet you.
Yeah.
Thank you for explaining everything, showing us the factory and
I hope you come very soon with your wife.
Yeah, I will be trying so.